Alright guys, 2017 Leaf Best of Baseball Random Letters Single Box number 16. Number 17 is full and goes right after this. I'll load rounds 18 and 19 into the store tomorrow. The break tomorrow night. Alrighty. Roll the die to choose the box. 1 through 5, top to bottom. For roll 6, I'll roll again. 5 bottom box, yeah. And for the random, 22 total spots. Gonna hit the randomizer 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2 times on the draw. Good luck. Fan of Griffey on the bottom. Pret City cards up top. 1 and 2. Goldie 868 number 1. D&H Martin number 22. On the letters, Y on the bottom and A up top. 1. Second and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. 2. Letter V up top and S on the bottom. V and S. One to one Y, Big Mike F, Bookie W, D&H Martin E and S, Fan of Griffey R, Goldie 868 V, J period 26 CGB, Matt 9012 or Matt 0912 K, Maxiho L, Pret City Cards JAPTD, and M and I and H, lots of them. Shanti and Juice Man O and the Pack Ripper N. All right. Good luck, guys. We got Mariano Rivera for the Yankees. There's going to go to the letter R, and is Fan of Griffey. Rivera. The buyback is Ozzie Smith's rookie card. I can tell from here. Bam. PSA 8, 1979 OPC version, not the Topps version. 79 OPC Ozzie Smith rookie card. Man, I hate autofocus. There you go. The cards look great when it decides to focus. Rather than that, it sucks. PSA 8, letter S, Smith, D&H Martin. That's Donald. And that's going to do it, guys, for the break. Thanks again, everybody, for watching and joining. The next one, peace. Going right up.